Welcome to my kitchen. Let me sit down because we need to chat. This weekend has been unbelievable. You guys are legit rock stars. This weekend I have gained so many new followers across all of my platforms, but especially the FB. So I thought it was only fitting to make a video and just reintroduce myself and let you know a little bit about why you're here, why I may have come across your FYP or your Reels feed, and let you know what we do here. My name is Kelly, and my page is La Dolce Vita Kelly Style. La Dolce Vita means the sweet life. So, and Kelly Style. So in my kitchen, I like to show you what I create, how I cook, why I cook it, and show you the sweet life my way. I cook dishes of all kinds, but I especially embrace the Italian-American side of my heritage. Sometimes I show you recipes on how to make very traditional Italian food and desserts. Sometimes I want you to think outside of the box, so I'll show you something very different and very third base. My goal is to share my love of cooking and baking with all of you. So if you're new here, thank you so much for visiting my page, for watching my videos, for following me, and thank you for taking this journey with me. If you've been with me from the beginning, I appreciate you more than you know. I started my platforms exactly 6 months ago on Wednesday, and it has been the best 6 months of my life. So much growth has happened to me in the last 6 months, not only personally, but professionally as well. And I'm so excited to share this journey with you, and the best is yet to come. So what you've gotten here so far and what you're gonna continue to get is my love for cooking and baking, all of my favorite recipes, some of your suggestions, and new recipes that I've developed over the last 6 months, plus the recipes I've developed over the past 10 years. What you're gonna start seeing new here is so many of you are asking me to share just a little bit about my life, to share a little bit of what I do behind the scenes, answering a lot of your questions. So many of you direct message me or email me questions, and I'm gonna start answering them on my videos. So I'm thinking in the morning during our coffee chats, I'm gonna start answering those questions for you. I'm also gonna start going live daily because that is one of the most popular questions I get. Why don't you go live? Can you please go live? We wanna talk with you. We wanna chat with you. We wanna just hang out. Absolutely, I can do that. So in the near future, we're gonna start doing that as well. Spring is almost here, so I'm gonna show you guys my garden, how I start my garden, how I grow my garden, and what we cook with the ingredients that we get from my garden. If you're not following me for whatever reason, I don't know why you wouldn't, let me show you a little bit of why you should be following me. You really are gonna be the talk of the Thanksgiving dessert table. Let's make chocolate dip apples. That should be illegal. If heaven were on a plate, this would be it right here. Check that out. I'm convinced this is why my family wants it to snow every day. So again, thank you so much. Thank you so much for this tremendous growth weekend that we had together. Everything we do, we're doing together. So if you have any questions, put them in the comment box because again, I'm gonna start answering them. If you have any suggestions on what you'd like to see me cook, put it in the comment section. Or if you just wanna say, hey, what's up, how are you? Put it in the comment section. Let me know where you're watching from. I love to know where all you guys come from. And if you wanna follow me on any other platform, my handle is the same, La Dolce Vita Kelly Style. And I'm that same handle on every single platform. If you want to see a more in-depth video of what I'm cooking on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, Snapchat, or Pinterest, go to my YouTube channel and you're gonna see a much longer, more detailed video of the short form version that you're watching there. So if you wanna see more of me, all you have to do is watch 5 seconds of my video, hit the like, share, and leave me a comment. That's all you have to do. And I will continue to show up on your FYP. I will continue to show up on your feed. And we are gonna have a blast and the best time in the kitchen and beyond. The only way that I can grow is with your help. So I need you to like, share, repost, and save my videos. That's how the algorithm works. That's how I get pushed out further. So with your help, we are going to grow together. So by sharing this video or any of my videos, that's how I get to your family, your friends, their family and friends. And before you know it, it's a snowball effect. So thanks again. And I'm about to start my cooking video for today. So let's get started.